Hi friends, welcome to my channel Heaven in 999. So friends, you till not subscribe my channel, please subscribe my channel for more videos and keep supporting. So let's begin friends. Today's topic on product stability. Let's look on it and see the details of how product stable in market area and what it means and what are the different type of ways to product stably take in marketplace. Friends, when product are take place in market area, it's go with its own growth and demand. When demand reach maturity stage, it take an its own stability level with a more and more demand of particular product. So when product in demand, customer was attract towards product and purchase it to fulfill the needs and satisfied towards product. So when product take long term place in particular market area, the product was constant in marketplace, the product was stable in market area, which is called as product stability in market. It means product was in a more demand, product was in a higher demand, or product goes on fulfill customer needs and wants towards its daily life or its own process. So product will stable to fulfill customer needs and wants with the help of market area. When this process is going on for a long term with a particular product, it's called as a product stable in marketplace. So take a look on other features also, how it helpful one particular product was stable for long time, and also what are the different features helpful for product to stay constant on demand and also constant for fulfill the customer needs and wants with a satisfactory level with the help of particular product in marketplace. So friends, the other features are here we have to begin. So friends, first one is demand. Demand is nothing but popularity towards a particular product. Sometime we heard that so many products are constant from last back 100 years or a century, which is that particular product or particular brand not lose its own popularity or demand towards customer fulfill the satisfaction on particular process. There may be FMCG goods, are there automobiles or any type of other products like electronic goods and other household items which are stable from last 100 years. So that means the product is reach good level of satisfaction, fulfilling different type of customer needs and wants, and it have its own process to attract customer with his best features and quality. Is nothing but demand will helpful to product to attract customer towards the brand name, and also helpful to constantly stable at marketplace with the help of demand. So another feature is, here we have to go for product stability in a marketplace. The quality is most important factor or feature in the product. Then only the product will survive in the marketplace. So what is the quality? Quality means the particular feature which is helpful to product maintain his level for long term or more years or more and more in a demand. Which means quality is one aspect which helpful to product survive in marketplace with the help of customer demand, which fulfill customer needs and wants with a satisfactory level, and it also helpful for product survive for long time in marketplace. It means quality take place here, an important feature towards its products also, and quality helpful to customer fulfill their needs and wants for a long time. That it means product is main aspect with quality, and quality is binding with the best quality of product. Vice versa, it means product have to maintain its quality and quality fulfill product towards its customer needs and want. The another feature we have to see now. Let's begin. So product is also taken another feature which is affordable. Affordable means not only related to price or a brand name. Affordable means which is it's have another phase. That means the product is affordable by the customer. It says that a good quality of taste. In a sum of FMCG goods, we see the horizontal taste, which means we have to consider that last back 100 years it have same taste, till after 100 years the product will give same taste in a same manner with the no zero quantity of changes in that particular product. That means it's affordable with satisfactory towards customer. Then only product was come in demand, then product will comes in quality, then products will come to marketplace. Then it fulfill to all customer with their satisfactory level and fulfill needs and want. So it's also product a place in with the stability in marketplace. Sometime it also helpful as an affordable means it's an packaging or its model, its shape. There are different things which covered by affordable. Means when customer attract towards the particular product, it says the model of the particular product which liked by the particular customer, or taste of the product liked by the customer, or the shape and size which is helpful to consume the goods for its own process. When the customer see the product fulfill his needs and wants according to the shape, size and other things which related to product, then only it can be affordable. Sometime, for an example, and factory goods was machineries or particular equipments you can afford according to your shape size only. More than that, if it is a product was not satisfactory, you cannot afford for your particular company or organization or particular process. Then what is the use of that particular product? So these elements are helpful, and the product will not suitable according to the customer taste, according to his point of view of satisfactory level. Then what is the product of using towards his process? Then the packing means not only the outer lookout of the particular product, it's also safety purpose. You can through see the safety purpose, then only you can go ahead for purchase that particular product. You can see the terms and conditions, safety and other materials, and long term use, and product was survive or stable in a particular place with a particular process. It can fulfill your needs and wants or not. You will think about these details. When customer purchases a particular product, he will think about particular time of period for that particular product, which helpful for his life to fulfill his needs, wants, and fulfill his aim for the particular process. Then only the customer go for purchase that product. Otherwise he cannot buy that particular product in any manner. He is as per go for further for product or substitute of that particular product. Then what is the use of this particular exact product which he want to purchase? So friends, the demand is not only the one aspect, the quality is also not in one aspect. That is affordable. That means taste, shape and size, and any type of safety guidelines, measures, and packing, warranty, certificates, brand name. These are all are included in one thing you can affordable. That it means when customer go for affording that particular product with his satisfactory level, then only he can buy that particular product. Then only product stable in market area. When customer was not purchasing that particular product, then how can the product will survive in market area? Then the particular product was not survive in market area, then what is the use of particular product? The particular product will reduce his demand, reduce his quality, or he can lose his marketplace or demand. Then he goes on back with a once again production area. So product will take these stages and elements or different type of aspects, then only go for product survive from 1 year to 100 year, or long life survive, or long life stable in marketplace. This small aspect, I hope you people understand what I am saying, that the particular product was stable in marketplace. He was to examine, means he have to pass out these all levels, then only the product will stable in marketplace with his good quality, good quantity, good taste, good shape or a model, size, satisfactory level, safety measurements, certified by the company, brand name. These all different type of aspects. In other also so many objects which I am not covered. That is also important for a particular product. So friends, think about these things, so which was helpful to product, complete the all fulfillment in marketplace, then only product was stable in marketplace. So friends, I hope this small information about the particular product stable in marketplace is useful to you people. If you like this video, please share the other people so they can get the product stability information. I hope this video is useful and helpful. If you think like that, please don't forget to subscribe my channel, share the video, and don't forget to press the bell icon for more video. Friends, I am trying to look out more this type of subject for helpful with my all friends, and keep supporting my channel. Thank you for till next video. Take care of yourself. Thank you once again.